Hey guys, thanks for stopping by Casks-n-Que, where whiskey and barbecue meet. I'm your host, Justin Lloyd, and today we're going to smoke some beef plate ribs. Yeah, you know the ones, those dino bones that everybody loves. They have tons of meat, they're tender, rich, juicy, smoky, barky, and a lot of barbecue enthusiasts would call these the king of barbecue. Let's get started. Here's some beef plate ribs, often called dino bones. Man, I love beef ribs. I don't get them very often. They're kind of hard to find around here. If you're in Texas, though, they're abundant. Man, check that out. Nice marbling, nice fat cap. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 bones. This little one here, a lot of that'll shrink up and kind of just draw back on the bone. So there's not going to be a whole lot left there, but these are going to be fantastic. You got a membrane on the back here. I'm going to leave that on, unlike pork ribs, because this membrane helps hold the beef ribs together while they cook. We have a little trimming to do. You got some silver skin right here. You got a piece of fat right there that wants to come off. We're not going to do a whole lot because I do want this fat. That fat is flavor, but again, those places that have silver skin like right there, we'll get rid of it. Now I'm just going to look for any uneven little edges or anything that kind of hangs off the beef ribs like that. That'll burn, although you don't really have to trim that off. We're looking pretty good. We're going to use some W sauce as a binder because I like to. You don't have to do this. I just like the extra little bit of flavor that it's going to add. This is a bold, beefy flavor. It's phenomenal. Next, we're going to hit it with our GPS. This is our own seasoning. This is a pepper forward rub. It's got salt, pepper, onion, garlic, and some other stuff. I'll put a link to my Etsy page where you can pick up your own bottle in the description box down yonder. I'm going to go pretty heavy with this stuff because I want a nice heavy bark. Pat it in. We don't smear, we don't rub, we pat it in. Let's get those sides. Use that rub that's on the board. All right, let's fire up the smoker. I'm gonna roll with some cherry wood today. We already have some coals in here from our last cook, but we'll add a little bit more. Uh-oh. Royal oak lump charcoal. All right, our smoker is up to 225, 230. We're gonna smoke at 275, but it's close enough, so let's get these beef ribs on. We'll put the thicker side towards the fire. All right, we're gonna let those go for, I don't know, a couple hours and come back and check on them. Those beef ribs have been on for about 2 hours. It may be time to spritz, so let's take a look and see what we got. Oh boy, got some good color. Doesn't look like there's any dark spots, so we're just gonna let these roll for another hour. Come back and check. I don't think we need to spritz right now. All right, we're another hour in, so 3 hours total. Let's see what we're looking like. Significant pullback on the bones. Doesn't look like it's getting too crusty. As a matter of fact, there's a lot of juice there. I'm not gonna worry about spritzing these, so we're just gonna let it roll for another hour and come back and check. So these ribs have been on for 7 hours. I have a pretty good hunch that they're done. Let's see what we got. Oh man, those look amazing. Smells awesome. Let's get temp. Oh, it's tender. We're at 202, so we're gonna call those good. Let's pull them off and let them rest for a minute. Nice crunchy bark, yum. You hear that crust? Oh. All right, we've let this rest for about 10 minutes. It's time to dig in. Let's just go right here, right down the middle. Oh, it's tender. Check that beast out. Ooh, 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 ooh. I hate to do the juice thing, but You can see how juicy that is and see how tender it is. Goodness. There's no good way to attack this but just to go after it. Mmm. Oh man. Let's try this side. That is amazing. King of barbecue. Big beef ribs, dino ribs. You saw how easy it was. I didn't even really have to do anything. There's not much trimming involved. All you got to do is find a nice big rack of dino ribs, season them up with your favorite seasoning, throw them in the smoker at 275, check on them every couple hours, every hour. Make sure they're not getting too crispy. If they are, hit them with some spritz. Easy peasy. These took 7 hours. I cooked at 275 the whole time, and they came out amazing. I mean, God, look at these things. It's great. I mean, this is a showstopper. I'm about to go watch the college football playoffs and dig into some more of these ribs. If you don't mind, go ahead and like, subscribe, and smash that bell. It's the best way to support the channel. We appreciate you. We'll see you next time.